get older or forget. Someone just woke you. Afraid of your dreams, 'cause someone just shook you. Just blame it on your mood, but someone